Buenas noches, mi nombre es Cristian Forigua y este es mi documento de identidad. My amazing future. As I embark on my life project, I can see a future full of growth. My aspirations are focused on the desire to positively influence society, both personally and professionally. In the next few years, I hope to carry out my project of establishing my own accounting consulting business that will take off in the market. I hope to build a team of like-minded people who believe in my project by generating employment for people in need. I plan to lay a solid foundation for growth and innovation and work to create a positive work culture that is conducive to success. By the time I reach the age of 35, I will have achieved significant milestones in my career by completing my specialization in internal auditing. I hope that my company will already have a great reach, having among its clients important companies in the country. On a personal level, I hope to fulfill my goal of traveling around the world, starting with Japan since it is a destination that I have always wanted to know, besides knowing other parts of the world. In the same way, I would like to fulfill my personal goal of having my own house. I would like to have a country house with a large green area, since this has always been the house of my dreams. I also want to have my family established with my wife and my children. Thank you.